Hello, welcome back to the episode today and how we detect the position of the player of object. And I will show you the simple way and we can have a quickly happy function. Okay. And first one we create the player object here. Inside the player object we can create 2D square, yeah, something like that, and we just reset it, come back to I'm sorry, and then normal here, and we reset everything, yeah, reset. Okay, and it's recenter of this, and so now debug, right? Now, so what happened with this? We add script and we call the position. So we add it into the player. So right, just open the script and we see here. First of all, we should declare about the variable float position here. And what happened with this when we call something inside of this, right? When we start, we just find the position like this, position, okay, position, and equal this dot position equal to the transform. You can see the transform here. We call this, and when we can get right position of the player. We attack it, we define it x, okay. So in the method update we call the position if condition. When we find this, if this does position equal than 7, do something inside, right? Like debug.log. We can in the debug console, and it appear like the position of player is detected. Okay, so we will come back to the Unity editor. We should remember to save this, and we come back to editor. Okay, when we see here position here, right, and hit the player button here, okay, and we move it to reach 7, something inside, nothing. Oh my god, we should come back. Maybe this condition, we should call this one. You detect position. Okay, so now let's see what happened with this. Swift. Yeah. Oh my god, what happened with this? I'm not sure. 7. Do I unlock? Nothing inside. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let me take here. Set it outside of if condition statement. It's work now. Okay. When it's move and you see the position here, just come back. Clear it one. Hit play button. And here's the play button. Okay. To come back to the scene, player, move to, you see the position here? Yeah, it's work. So now I want to build something new for you. See, instead of using manual and in the scene, we just use the keyboard. We add the force. We have the physics for your player, something like that. We add to the rigid body 2D. Okay, gravity. When we hit this button is down. Oh my god, I don't want that. So I set into 0. Okay, so now we come back to the script. We create something. We just add the physics into player. Okay, rigid 2D variable rigid body. Okay, so now when we start here, create the 2D, we just call the game object get component. Okay, inside we add rigid 2D. Okay, it's work. So now we need something like floor walk speed. We set up our speed when it start equal 1.5. Okay. Wow. We need input. Okay. Input horizontal. Input horizontal. Horizontal input. Get something inside here. Horizontal. Backward and forward. Horizontal. Okay, and we add this. If. Okay, I need the if condition. If input horizontal not equal 0, something happen inside the if condition. What happened? I need the rigid body at first. This is the function, the methods of unity and inherited model behavior. So at first, something like new vector 2. The first one, input horizontal, and we can multi with walk speed 0. Okay, so now I just add the effort with the keyboard. So we come back to the Unity editor and we can see what happened. Yeah, when I hit the right button and input inside this function, and the player can move right, boom, back. It will move back. Okay, right, back, right, back, right, back, and you see when it reach to number 7. Okay. Okay, thank you very much to see the short video today and how we can we can build a simple to detect the position by the chain form, and we also know about the rigid body 2D, and I introduce to you and you add the physics into the player here. Okay, thank you very much and see you in the next video. See ya.